Hi, World Explorers. We are...
Well, for now, it's just the 4 of us.
Yeah, because we are doing classes every day. We're always at the library. And today we're doing...
wood carving.
That was yesterday. Luca?
I'm doing the ring class.
Luca's making jewelry today that they did the other day.
Yeah.
And we were doing... What are you doing today?
We're making a ring.
Where are you though?
We're at this library.
What country are you in?
We're in Bali.
Okay.
Yeah. And I get to use a hammer.
So you know how to make jewelry?
Yeah.
I like how she's honest and you're not. So you have to pick a sample and then you're gonna make something similar?
Yeah, or I can just do my own thing.
Emma, what do you want to make?
I don't know.
Cosimo, what do you want to make?
I'm gonna do a ring, maybe with my name. Oh, or a cool rock on it. That could be cool. And with a bunch of letters on it, and just do, but
Bunch of letters.
He wants to make a ring that weighs 1 kilo, which costs how much?
$1,125.
Because
No, I was
he's paying
joking.
for it.
I know. I was like, it must be pretty cheap.
The design, what do you want? Like this one, the simple one.
Well, I thought it'd be cool to put like a rock.
I have just a sea glass.
Look at that.
Oh wow!
Look how cute.
This one is cool.
I think I should.
Now you have an idea what you
Yeah,
want to do?
I'll do this. I'll do it.
No, I have
Can
no
it be?
idea.
I have to ask you. Can it be a little bit thicker?
Like
or no?
this?
Yeah.
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 Like a little bit thick. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Put it around.
For the joint, you can bring line and then we cut with the scissors.
Easy to make more flat, maybe.
Oh, that was good. Oh, I'm an expert now. You want to hire me?
What are you making?
A wave.
Oh, that's cool. You are in Bali.
Wait, how are we gonna put it together?
This one, okay?
I think that's why you're doing a class. So she teaches you.
Wow.
This is a borax, yeah?
So you heat the ring.
Yeah.
Oh, you use a rock.
This is a borax, not rock.
Oh.
Little mint.
Whoa.
Okay.
Wow, you're good.
Oh, and then you put it in the cold water.
Well, or else you might burn yourself.
And then she put the rock inside.
Like she, and then down here.
Oh.
This you have a straight.
Oh, you make it look so easy.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, that's so cool, Emma.
Like this.
Oh, for the bottom. Okay, okay.
So you have to cut it.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's hope I cut good.
Yeah.
Go, prodigy.
Straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is okay, or you want a more smaller for the seed?
I think it's okay.
That's a good start.
It's not delicate.
Cosimo is trying to cut this.
Oh, okay.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Can make it straight here, little.
Huh.
What did you do?
I think I did it good.
And then make it same here.
Oh,
Oh, okay,
that's so
okay.
cool, Emma. No, it's not. Do I have to hammer?
Yeah.
Yes! Oh,
Not hard hammer.
oh, soft. Okay. Like this.
That's cool. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, your ring is waving high, but
He has to rub it for...
I think to make it like softer, to make it even, it's sandpaper.
Yeah.
This one, borax, you can make it melting. Click here.
Whoa.
That is cutting the edges.
Yeah, next we can cut. Okay, stop.
Whoa.
So then it's easier to cut out.
Oh.
Wait, let me see. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I did all of this. Even I did the fire thing.
You just figured it out all by yourself,
Yeah,
right?
mhm.
Yeah.
You
And
even
I,
had the pony to tie your hair.
Yeah, even that.
I also bought the silver. It's very, very cheap.
How big you want?
I think maybe this one.
The big one?
Yeah.
So
I do
Cosimo
all
is
of
trying to make this texture over here. How do you do it?
Well, the first one.
Maybe you have to hit a little harder.
Check your finger. This too big or?
This is cool.
Cosimo is still hammering his ring. Nice. Wait, so you can write your name on it?
Yeah, but you have to do it like sideways.
Okay.
So like you have to do it like this, going downward.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's very careful.
So these are all your letters. Let's see if that's your name.
Hang on, no, there's one letter missing because O is twice my name. So it's gonna be, for now it's gonna be Cosimo.
So you test it on the paper. That's the S.
Okay, so now I know how to work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's the wrong way. That's the right. No.
What are you doing?
He's testing it there before he actually does it.
Wait, the C goes in this direction. Yes.
This
There you
one
go,
is
got a
simple.
C.
This one, the hammer with this.
Oh. Okay, C, O.
This top. Then this one, yeah?
Okay.
Just make it soft.
Just so you can then make a circle. Emma, this is going to be your favorite ring.
Come inside.
Oh, and now I.
Yeah, and then you check for your finger how many beads you want.
I think I did something wrong.
Yeah? Take here and then.
How did your thing got crooked?
It gives it character. Mama, you know, it's a new trend. If things look bad, they cost
big?
much more money.
You want a little bit smaller?
Sure.
Beauty in imperfection.
Yes.
I love it.
Should I write Cosimo is awesome? No. No.
That might be a little bit long. We all know that.
Okay, stop. Now you check your size.
How do you know this is the exact size? Oh, this is heavy.
You have to shape it.
How do I know this is this line right here? Or this line here? Wow. Oh.
You wanna like this or like this?
I think you should put it straight.
I think I'm gonna do it sideways.
Diagonal.
Let me see. Yeah, crooked. No.
Sand it off. Go. You okay?
Am I pushing too hard?
Lime and cooking salt.
Oh,
Yeah,
Lime and cooking salt. Whoa.
yeah. This after burn, we use the borax. Yeah.
Yes.
Become black like this.
Yes.
One. We can clean with this until come back white.
oh.
This is gonna take a while.
Yes, it does take a while.
So when it gets dirty, you basically should just do that. Oh wow, I have no idea. How shiny it is.
It will get shinier when you go back on the machine.
Where does the gas come from?
That.
But that means there's not.
This one petrol.
Ah, petrol. See, that's not gas.
You're the one that said it was gas.
A little bit more. Keep like, yeah. Maybe 30 seconds. Yeah.
Okay. I'm too shiny. And the diamond in the rust. Oh yeah, because I can't. I'm just so shiny. See, I did it sideways now, Mama. I'm brushing its teeth. This is like never gonna. I thought we were gonna hot glue everything together.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
So how are we gonna attach a stone? That's the question. Or do we just leave it empty?
I don't know. I think we'll find out soon. We're close
And
to
then
that
look
moment.
at how cool. Just Cosimo. It's kind of hard to see, but Cosimo.
When I don't remember your name, I can't, you just.
If I have amnesia, I can just.
You do the inside first with this. First one.
Kind of strange. I was wondering if we were gonna clean the inside. Maybe
Is it clean?
not yet.
And that cleans the outside.
You shined it too much, Emma.
I did. I push a little less. Ta-da! You did it!
She wasn't happy with it, what you did.
Yeah, just make it clean.
It wasn't clean, Cosimo.
Yeah,
yeah.
a little bit.
Just like when you wash dishes.
Okay.
Emma, on the other hand, can't stop cleaning it.
No, because it keeps turning black. Why is it turning black?
Because your hands are dirty.
This one is dirty.
It's your hands.
It's not my hands.
Your hands are black. Did you see that?
See?
Oh, okay.
It's literally that easy. Emma.
That's the gecko guy.
Look at that piece of jewelry right over there. Really?
I think this side. So wait, now how do we get it stuck? Super glue.
You can put gel.
You and super glue. Oh, it's not glued inside. You just
No.
kind of
That's
enclose it.
Get it stuck. Stuck like glue. Oh, stuck like glue.
Probably right.
You and me, baby, we're stuck like glue.
You and the ring.
No, the rock is stuck inside. Now, how much jewelry have you made in all your jewelry making career?
I don't know.
A lot.
I'm start learn for 10.
When you were 10?
Yeah.
Wow.
But just because
So
you
she
liked
just has a little bit more experience than
But because
me.
you liked it or because your family
Because my family all make it jewelry.
so you kind of that's what you do. You don't
Yeah.
play Uno around a table, you make jewelry.
No, I play for the pumping and I burn my finger. This.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
I try. Look like easy, look like funny, and then after I focus the pumping, the fire come here. Yeah.
That's why she was so careful with the fire. You made it a little rounded.
It's not my fault.
So you have a little bell in there.
Yeah.
But it's not going to fall out because you made it tight on top, right?
This one good.
Yeah, that's why this is what you call the natural super glue.
If when you do the glue inside, this the color like maybe a little bit yellow.
Oh, it changes the color of the rock.
So after you polished it again, now you're polishing it again.
We're making the rock shiny now.
Oh, shiny rock. Let me see. Whoa.
Hey, ho, let's go. Hey,
Stop. No.
copyright. It actually kind of looks good.
No.
I wasn't gonna lick it.
Cosy, you can't get any shinier than that, I think. Maybe get a bit more wet. Did you just go slow-mo?
Wow, it's just so shiny.
Dip it into more water. No, the brush, not the ring. Are you done?
Yeah, I think done.
Okay.
Oh, so you listen to her, but not to me.
Because she's the professional. She's been doing it since she was 10. There's a difference. Dun dun.
Let me see. Wow. Put it on. No, don't stare at it. Put it on.
Oh, okay.
A ring that you made too big for you on purpose.
And if you listen, it rings. The ring rings. Oh, the ring rings.
Oh boy.
Okay guys, I'm making a ring. Oh, you. See? And I. Okay, I'm finished.
You do it this. Just the edges like this. Like this. Okay? Do this one.
Is this good?
Yeah, you do full all.
So now what do I do?
So, Luca, what's the next step of your process?
Ring.
Yeah, but
Let's go for a camera.
so now you're shaping the ring to your finger.
Which do you go have a look in the box with Emma, and she can have a look for a ring for you.
Yeah, and I can help you too.
So now what do I do? I turn red. Emma! This turn red.
That's an 8. What about this one? A 10. What's your middle?
Let me see.